there's the first motor mount out of the back. Disintegrated.
Nothing.
Old and wore out. New, ready to install. To lift on the back and a 2x4 to lift anywhere else needed. Create some leverage, move the engine around. And that won't fit in there.
Now you can rig straight to the front.
Got the main halyard attached to the lift point on the front of the Yanmar. Now cranking up the engine with the new winch I just installed. Earlier, using halyard and topping lift, took the line, using the main halyard, coming back here, pad it, wrap it down into your engine room lazarette, and we wrapped around the transmission to pick it up, so that way had a line coming this way, lifting the engine, and a line in the front. You can see it still there, I haven't pulled it off yet. And lift it. So on this mount, bottom one is 33 millimeter, 32 somewhere in there. That bolt is 24, that's basically an inch. Just a bit shy. And that's 25, so that one... Huh. Okay. So yep, my small tools on the boat didn't fit. 15/16 seems to fit. And that's 20 years on a vibration core, although only 500–600 hours.